Well, I'm back out fishing again finally. It's been about 6-7 weeks now. It's done me treeing. I'm out for 48 hours, so hopefully I'm chasing carp on pike. The place I've come to's got quite a few carp in and quite a lot of pike in as well. So hopefully I should have something to show for my little trip. This is where I am. "48 hours of bliss again." Mr. Buster Knot is just down there, as you can see. So, pike float bobbing along. And one just there. So, if it progresses, I'll let you all know. Well, it's about 6:30 now at night, and there's not been much happened today really. There's a lot of fish showing. That's the main reason we chose Peds we did, because of the fish that were in the area. But nothing just yet to report. Hopefully I'll have something tonight. Got a bit out just there. Ooh. The other one's just on gravel bar just out there. Chod rig, sticky baits, bloodworm, glugged, a few pellets and stuff, and then another rod. Got that maple and lobster, a few freebies. So see what happens. Well, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've had a few knocks through night, but that's it. But that could just be breams from playing about. Strange really. So I've no proper run, but I'm thinking Bobby's just lifting a right little tiny bit and that's it. On my left hand rod. So I don't know. I don't know what to do really now. I don't know if to leave my rods out or pull them in and swallow for pike. Decisions. Best to do. Nice and windy down here. Told Jason's still asleep, the lazy get. But I don't know. I don't know if just leave my rods now, but I'll change the pike. What should I do? Oh well, I suppose you'll find out later if I've got a fish or not. Oh well, catch us in a bit. Well, very, very happy I am. Hey, just had 2 pike out in the space of an hour. I decided to change this morning because of weather conditions. I thought it'd be good for pike. I've had 2 out on live baits, but the last one I had out were even better because they're actually fishing for the live baits with 3-pound line on a float rod. And the pike come out of nowhere and just nailed it, and I managed to land it. So, kudos, that's all I can say. It were awesome. Pictures will follow this a little bit. Cheers. Well, I'm not having any more pike, so it's about 2:30 afternoon, so I've decided to go back onto the car, see if I can winkle one of them out. Same spots as yesterday, what I showed you. put a little more bait in, just fishing over the top of it, chodrig and a bottom bait, so who knows, don't know what to do, I might have to have a little sleep, but very quiet, there's been no carp out, there's only been little bits out, there's a few people on now, so all people are pulling out of perch roach, and then there's my 2 pike that's been out, and that's it. So not been much signs at all today of any carp anywhere, so I don't know where they are. But I'm fishing in deeper water, so about 15 foot in front of me, so same spots as yesterday. Campers. So for the next time you see me, I should be holding a fish. I don't care if it's a big bream, big tench or a carp. But I can't grumble with having 2 pike in an hour. So oh well, in a bit. Well, I might as well share a tip with you that I learnt off one of my southern friends, told Stott it. If you've got an head torch like this, if you get some of the glowing dark plastic sweet corn and actually put it under the glass, just unscrew that and put it under the glass, so when you turn the torch on it'll charge it, but also in the night time it glows up, so you'll be able to find your torch easier. I'll show you it later when it's glowing. Well, back in car now, all packed up, ready to go. We didn't get out last night. I had a little knock, and that was about it. That's all that happened. So, next time you should see us, we should be on a new water. Apex. If anyone knows it, feel free to share some tips with us, will you? 200 acres, so it's a bit daunting, but it should all be a good laugh. Till next time, see you later.